Good morning. It's Shane Farrier again from Cool Engineering. So I'm here today to start up the rest of the system that's downstairs. I was here yesterday also. Again, with everybody drinking and partying and going to church. Shane always working. I just opened the valve because I changed pants and I ended up leaving one of the Allen keys, two of the Allen keys in it. So just had to do it. We just opened back this store today, so just getting refrigerant. Left my compressor home today, so I've decided to do everything manually, to finish debug the system manually. Yep, so that's what I'm doing here now. So this is gonna start soon. I'm just waiting on the guys to drop the refrigerant for me. I think the system here taking at least 2 tanks of refrigerant. My calculation is already done. And my unit's going to start up shortly, actually. Yep, I'll be working all through the week, the Easter weekend. Alright, so my slave 2 has started. That's the 28 kilowatt. Slave 1 started now. See the fans already moving. Right. My master already supposed to be pumping. Yeah. Let's go. That's my valve clicking. My liquid line is going to be a little bit hot. Actually supposed to be cold. That's because I need refrigerant. So I'm just waiting on the guys to drop that in for me and good to go. Anyway, have a good day. Coming from Shane Farrier, and a happy Easter from Cool Engineering. Alright, cheers.